Hi friends and students, hearty welcome to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is Santosh. So finally the day has come. So rigorously, continuously are doing the work related to Polyset, TAS Polyset 2021. So the examination falls on 17th July 2021, that is coming Saturday. So S Square Maths YouTube channel wishes you all the best for the aspirants of Telangana State Polyset 2021. Okay, so now let us go through the basic instructions related to examination, how to write, how to proceed, etc. So first of all, this examination comprises of this question paper comprises of 150 questions with a choice of 4 responses, nothing but multiple choice for each question with only one correct response among them. So following nothing but mathematics, number of questions 60, each carry 1 mark, everything. So finally it is 60 marks. Physics, physical science, strictly physics 30 questions, 30 marks. Chemistry, again 30 questions, 30 marks. Biology, 30 questions, 30 marks. So finally number of questions are 150 and the marks are 150, and here finally 60 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30, which gives you totally 150. So this is the examination schedule and the duration is 2.5 hours, nothing but 150 minutes. So basic instructions I am going to give, those are going to write the examination, and please listen the video till the end. So this is applicable for most of the competitive examinations. So according to our knowledge, according to my knowledge, my views only, I am going to give the suggestions. Okay, so anyhow, before 1 hour you are reaching the center and entering into the examination hall. After taking the question paper, please aspirants those who are writing, anyhow you will be taking all the stationery, keep it ready. After taking the question paper, please read out the total questions right from 1 to 150. Okay, number of questions are 150. So nothing but please divide the total question paper for solving into 3 parts. The first, 3 rounds. The first round is read all the questions. In the first round, after reading a particular question, if it is just 20 or 30 seconds, by confirming it, then tick it. Next, so like this total 150 questions, and in the second round, the questions which you take average time of 1 minute, so that you consider as second round. And the third round is very typical, very tough, different, confusing, cannot do, etc. will be treated as in the third round. And please try to complete your examination round off the given options in the OMR sheet. So last half an hour is meant for checking, verification whether you have done correct or wrong, etc. Bubbling, everything. And which you left over some 5 to 20 or 30 questions, whatever it may be in the third round left over, please go through it. And that also you confirm it before 10 minutes of completion of examination. So don't be hurry. And last but not the least, the main important thing here you have to remember. So please start with biology or chemistry. Don't start with physics or maths, because it consists of problems. It may take some time. So generally biology and chemistry takes less time. Mostly theoretical will be, especially biology. So after completing biology, chemistry, most of the questions, then only go for maths and physics. So in the description box I have given total videos regarding PolySet and various competitive examination. Please go through it. And before the examination, before 12 hours or 1 day, don't go for the specific preparation. On the particular day, before 3 hours of examination, just revise all the concepts. That also optional. Okay, that is according to your convenience. So these are some of the basic rules and regulations, terms and conditions, how to prepare, how to write the examination. Okay, hope so you will crack the good rank. So whatever the material you have written, you have learned, once again you revise in this 1 or 2 days and go for the examination. Okay, hope so you felt this video, and after watching this video, if you feel good, and share to your near and dear, because this type of videos use the confidence or boosting for the aspirants those are writing the examination, and like it if you feel good. Once again, I wish you all the best for the aspirants of Telangana state for the PolySet 2021 on July 17th, 2021. Okay, have a nice day. See you.